just making allegation without any substantial evidence, I think that is childish. And being a tallest leader of the TMC in India, you are here in Meghalaya not even 24 hours. You pretend as if you know everything.
Hadin balami ke jingsha kan tho menteri rangba kejelau Konrad Konggal Sangma House Secretary in charge jongka party All India Trinamool Congress Wabhishek Banerjee nakaliang sembut menteri rangba kejelau ba Prestone tensong menta kesngi ulat ther teng e kelayu Abhishek daga boong bauni unong yelam AITC udang de ban wan hier biang shashlong banyo e kejing hikai kumno ban Kren breu namar bodang yu Kjat ha Meghalaya tang arp sau kentaro ompat don ulale kumbau latip lot ya baro. La ban kedo hangni bo General Secretary in charge ka AITC Abhishek Banerjee ha kesngi balang lawan hiar shashlong ban penklanya ka parti ha ka jella. Uba Prestone ula ongru bahaga jingshisha kumu General Secretary in charge habaro ka wei kari ban sukenno persha yu no briu lade ban perkhat bha ban ka jingkan tho persha yu khri du ka jella kalong ka basosi nau briu balakam melade kumu General Secretary bathara yu Abhishek udang don kam ban sha hikai bha kumno ban ai jing shakri skipai ba hakari bat ya kane ka jingsha hikai tharai undang don kam ban wan biang shashlong khnang bo unnang ban pendon kam kumno ban Kren ki kentin haba ulet sakano ka benta jongkari India.
Well, I think seeing the statement made by the General Secretary in charge, so-called General Secretary in charge of AITC, Mr. Banerjee, I think this must be the first visit ever he made in Meghalaya. And seeing the statement made by him, I don't want to say anything much, but I could see his immaturity in politics. And being the General Secretary in charge of AITMC in the whole country, just making allegation to any person, I think we need to think 100 times. Forget about the statement he made or the allegation he made yesterday to the head of the state. It is very unfortunate when such statement made by the so-called General Secretary to the Honorable Chief Minister. I think he need further training how to go forward saving the people of India from now on. And this training, I think he needs to come again to Shillong, and we will provide that skill training to him so that he understands how to use the languages wherever he goes throughout India. That's why I said he is too immature because of few reasons. One reason is just making allegation without any substantial evidence. I think that is childish. And being a tallest leader of the TMC in India, you are here in Meghalaya not even 24 hours. You pretend as if you know everything. And where is that proximity of NPP and BJP? That also I get confused, I don't know. Because NPP-led government, we started serving the people of the state right from 2018 till this moment. People of Meghalaya have seen it, how the MDA government under the leadership of Konrad Sangma, we perform. So that's why I said, let me again reiterate that the statement made by Mr. Banerjee is childish and also unfortunate at his station. Okay, one line I'll give. NPP is the real firefighter. Okay, NPP is the real firefighter. Okay,
And AITC is what?
sorry.
Yeah, then AITC is the
TMC is what? Nothing. That's what I'm saying. And they claim themselves that they are vaccination, right? Vaccine, right? Vaccine. So when they say, they claim themselves that okay, the virus is NPP, and then the AITMC is the vaccine. I've not seen even a single of these senior leaders who contributed in fighting the virus. I did not see that. I did not see that. Why claim? Why talk about vaccine? But I have not seen them to participate in the fighting of virus.